Welcome all. Today in building services, we will get to know about the concept of the house drains. So that is what is the principle of the main principle of the house drains and what are the components of the house drains, how it is used. So first, principle of the house drainage system, that is preferably laid by side of the building for the easy repair and the maintenance. So and also the joint should be leak proof, otherwise the leakage will reduce the bearing capacity of the soil. Slope should be under gravity force and the sewer line should always be straight and the system should be well ventilated. So the house sewer connection to the manhole should be such that intervened level is sufficiently higher to avoid the backflow. So the inspection chamber at every change in direction of the sewer lines should be provided and the rainwater should not be allowed to run through the sewer lines. So siphonage action can never be permitted to occur. So these are the main principles of providing the house drainage systems. Next is about the components of the house drainage systems. That is, it is of three components. First one is the traps, another one is the pipes, and also other one is the sanitary fittings. So traps, it is classified into two categories. That is, one is based upon the shape, another one is according to their use or the purpose. So first one, according to their shape, it is of three types. That is P trap, Q trap, and the S trap. And when it is categorized based upon their use, it is of flow trap, gully trap, grease trap, and intercepting trap. Then pipes, there are different pipes which is used for the house drainage system. That is soil pipe, waste pipe, wind pipe, rain pipe, and anti-siphonage pipe. Then sanitary fittings, that is wash basin, sink, urinals, bathtub, water closet, and flushing systems. First is about the traps. So the good traps should have or the following categories or the qualities, that is, it should provide enough water seal with the large surface area and smooth inner surface so flow cannot be restricted, and access door to clean the traps, and non it should be made up of the non-absorbent material. So categorization of the trap depending upon their shape, it is of three types, that is Q trap, P trap, Q trap, and the S trap. So this one is there is a first one. This one is the P trap. It is based upon the shape. It is categorized as the P, and this one is the Q trap, and this one is the S trap based upon its shape. Next, based upon their use, for which purpose it is used. First one is the flow trap, that is also known as the Nahi trap. So stainless steel or the galvanized gratings to avoid the entry of the large particles. They use it to collect the slush from bathrooms, kitchens. Next, gully tap, that is provided at the junction of the roof drain and other drains from the kitchen or the baths. It is mainly of the P-shaped or the Q-shaped. It is usually made up of the stoneware or the cast iron gratings is provided at the top. So water seal of 50 to 75 mm. An intercepting trap, that is a disconnecting trap or the interceptor trap, that is usually provided at the junction of the house sewers and the municipal sewers or the septic tank. So provided in last manhole of the house drain systems and prevent the entry of the foul gases from the public sewer to the house drainage system. Next, grease trap. So that is used where the large quantity of the oily waste is usually generated. It prevents ugly some and the blockage to re-aeration, and also masonry. It is made up of masonry or the cast iron chambers with a bent pipe or the T-pipes at the outlet ends. So next component of the pipe house drainage system is the pipe, that is it consists of waste pipe, soil pipe, wind pipe, rainwater pipe, and anti-siphonage pipe. So waste pipe, that is pipe which is used to carry the sewage, and the soil pipe which is used to carry the sewage, and wind pipe, so the pipe installed for the purpose of the ventilation and also to carry the foul smell. So that is what the wind pipe. And the rainwater pipe, that is pipe carrying the rainwater, anti-siphonage pipe, that is maintain proper ventilation and does not allow the siphonic action to take place in the pipe. So that's all about the house drainage system. Thank you.